So this morning I'm making this tea. So part of self-love is really preparing a delicious, nutritious meal for yourself. Here, my brunch is going to be these cashew nuts from our farm that I planted 5 years ago, hyacinth beans, the eggs from our organic chicken, and sweet potato. The melon, I didn't plant this. This is the only one I have to buy in the market because it doesn't grow here. Bananas, and my healing turmeric, lemongrass tea. Simple things that you do for yourself. Self-love and self-care. It doesn't really take a lot of time to prepare for yourself.